This is the Channel 4 News Midday Report.
Today, a group of Latino students and their parents accused LA Unified Schools of failing to deal with alleged racial tensions on their campuses. Their frustration could boil over into a lawsuit. Channel 4's Natasha Ganem is live in the Wilshire District with all the details. Good morning, Natasha.
Good morning, Chris. 2 students have been expelled, another suspended after an incident at Bret Harte Middle School on December 1st. Yet they say they were the victims of ongoing tension between Hispanics and African Americans, tension the school ignored.
I couldn't do nothing.
13-year-old Giovanni Casasola wasn't in class this morning. He's been expelled from Bret Harte Middle School. Instead, he was learning about how to speak with reporters at a news conference about his alleged racially motivated assault at school.
15 African American kids tried to take my money, cell phone, and watch. And I went to make the report to my teachers in the office. They just told me to go outside and they will see what happened.
Casasola says he complied, and this is what happened.
And a group of kids started hitting me. They drove me to a phone, and I couldn't do nothing.
Casasola's mom says she arrived at the school and tried to keep the African-American kids from continuing to beat up her son. Instead, she says the African-American administrators beat her up. These are photos of her alleged injuries. This student says she witnessed the fight. She says this photo shows administrators hitting her too.
The police officer grabbed me from the middle of the street, and when he dragged me, and when he was hitting me when I couldn't breathe, I just don't like to remember it.
This is tragedy when a student is victimized, is assaulted, is threatened, goes to the administration, seeks help, and then it's turned around and they retaliate against him.
Casasola says his alleged assault is not an isolated incident. Tension between Hispanics and African Americans is a real problem at Bret Harte Middle School.
Every time we go to school, we have to be looking over our shoulders. I don't feel safe.
Casasola's attorney says he's not planning on filing a lawsuit yet. Right now, the family is primarily concerned with a thorough investigation. And a spokeswoman with the LA Unified School District says the district did just that as soon as it learned of this incident. The spokeswoman says that Casasola's version of events does not align with the facts the district has gathered, and that the district had been working with Casasola to address his concerns prior to this incident. In Los Angeles, I'm Natasha Ganem, Channel 4 News.
Natasha, thank you very much. This morning,